What if I told you that every blooming flower is actually running quantum calculations? This beautiful process hides an incredible secret. Look at these perfectly arranged petals. They're following an ancient mathematical code, the Fibonacci spiral, precisely 137.5 degrees apart, for perfect sunlight capture. Inside each cell, specialized proteins form a living network of light sensors. These phototropins track the sun's position, guiding the flower's dance. But here's the mind-blowing part. These proteins use quantum tunneling to capture light, nature's own quantum computers, operating in every petal. Next time you see a flower bloom, remember, you're watching quantum physics in action. Subscribe for more hidden wonders.